Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix speaker not working on your Samsung Tab A11. So first, let's go over to the settings and check the volume levels. Now scroll down until you see sounds and vibration, and here you guys need to select the volume. So select the volume, and here make sure that you have it set up like me, or you can just max out everything. So it's totally up to you. I feel like my settings here are actually the best, and it's all up to your preference. So after changing it, what you guys can do is clean the speaker grills. So we have two speaker grills, and they are on the left side, which is the top side, and on the right side, which is the downside. So as you guys can see, we have the charging port and the USB, sorry, not the USB, but the 3.5mm headphone jack here, and here we have the speaker grill. So we definitely want to clean it with a soft brush, and you guys can also use the air compressor, but I recommend using the soft brush because it does a better job. Now after that, let's go over to the settings and make sure that Bluetooth is disabled. So click here. Now after going to connections, click here, and as you guys can see, when the Bluetooth is off, it's good because we made sure that audio is not rerouted from any other device or to any other device. And basically when you have your Bluetooth turned on, then you may not notice your tablet connecting to, let's say, your car, your other phone, your headphones, speakers, or practically anything. So we definitely want to disable the Bluetooth. As you guys can see, now the Bluetooth is disabled, and we made sure that audio is not rerouted to any other device or from any other device. Now after that, what you guys can do as a last resort is update your software. So scroll down here and click on the software update. Now click on download and install, and as you guys can see, I have the latest version of my software. It's up to date and I do not have any updates. So if you do have an update, then make sure to do that, because it's very important to get rid of any old glitches, and that's what the software update does. It actually tries to fix every single glitch or anything that's in your system. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.